on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for responding to the last video. But yeah, guys, this is a really awesome video, and it's gonna be really helpful. And I'm here, brother. Say hi, brother.
Hello, I am back once again, and today we're going to be showing you how to get infinite knives in Murder Mystery 2.
Yeah, guys, so this tutorial might be the easiest tutorial ever, guys. Whoa, guys, what you want to do is click on the shop icon, go into weapons, and brother, name one knife you want to get.
I would like the space knife.
Space knife, so let's find the space knife. Here it is, a mystery box number 1. So what you want to do, brother, is click on the space knife in the menu, and then click on your inventory, and then click on the powers button, click on footsteps, click out of that, and reset your character. Now, what you want to do is go into settings and change movement mode. See here? Change it back to click and move. Alright, brother. Do you want a gun, brother?
Yes, Jake, I would like the splash gun.
Okay, brother. So what you want to do is the same method. Go into shop, go into weapons, go into the mystery box, or whatever it is. Did you say the splash gun? Click on that. Go into your inventory, click on powers, and what you want to do is click on the footsteps icon. Click out of that, reset your character. Alright, brother, check your inventory!
Whoa! Jake, I got all the knives and the guns.
No way. Whoa!
This is so radical.
Oh my god. No, unfortunately, this doesn't work for me because I have no knives at all. But yeah, guys, that's it for the tutorial. I know this video was really short, but we'll be some awesome videos coming up soon, guys. Also, I'm getting cured after brother gave me the steroids because I went to the hospital, guys. Whoa! But yeah, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. And brother, watch more of our videos!
Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.